Thanks for checking out our channel and seeing this video. Is this the first time you've ever seen them? It didn't cost you nothing but freight to get it here. After that, it's just a free quote. That's pretty cheap to fix, and then we're just going to fix it and send it back because no reason to beat around the bush and just wait on a return call. We'll just fix it, send it back. Anyways, well, this is a little old style Speedrite. It's called a 580. They made a SM 5800, SM 580, Panther or Viper 580. They're all the same on the inside. There have been just a few tweaks and changes to the boards and stuff. But we repaired the board and replaced both capacitors inside this thing, and it took right off. I was hoping to just be the capacitors, but they were both shot. So we'll put new ones in there. It's still dead. So I had to go through the board and get the board figured out. Luckily, they don't make new boards for this, but luckily it's old school that's on it. So if you know how to test components, know how things work on the inside, these boards can usually be rebuilt. They're not super complicated, and a lot of the parts on the boards are nothing special to them, so you know it can be fixed. So see it flashing. Well, I can't see it flashing, but the camera's not picking it. Camera doesn't always pick up the light, but it is flashing every single time. And it's flashing down there too, which is not a huge deal. So, but yeah, they're pretty good old school units. You know, this was built probably from the early 90s to the early 2000s, I would guess. 2005, 6, 7, and then they came out with some newer stuff. I don't think the newer stuff is as good as these ones, but that's my opinion. So we're getting a little over 7,000 volts out of it. See if half power works. Half power is not really working right, but I don't know how many people actually use half power, so it's not a critical thing. Yeah. A newer model would be like the Speedrite 6000, which are about $350, give or take. So pretty stout unit. So I'll put a little money into these things. Sometimes it takes a bit of money sometimes to fix them, but you know, it may last a person another 20-something years. You know, you're not going to exclude lightning. That's the only thing really ever gets these in age. So, but that's basically it. So if you got one of these old Speedrites, send it in here and let's take a look at it. They make this one made a 980, which looks very similar to this one, just a bigger guts on the inside, bigger capacitors, bigger board, bigger transformer, but the layout's basically the same. So send on in here, we'll take a look at it for you. So until next time, see you later on.